So now I've got another drawing for you to attempt. For this drawing, I want you to get comfortable reading a grid so you can identify the width, the height, and the depth. So here's this grid. If you look, there's triangles on the page. Okay, we got triangles like this. And each triangle is going to represent one box on your graphing paper. What I want you to do is generate a front view. So, let's see. You're going to put, so this is your paper. You should have your front view of the object here, your side view here, your top view here. Now remember, your front view is going to have the same width as your top view. Your front view will have the same height as your side view, and the depth should be the same. Now, just as a hint, this object is pretty skinny, so the depth is not that far. To give you an example of how to figure out how many boxes it is, I'm going to use the height. I see one side, 2, 3 sides of the triangle, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my total height is 8 boxes. Now over here, I can't tell, but as a trick, you can follow the grid to see if different objects line up. I can see that this height of this object, of this top portion, is the same height because it follows that line to this portion. So the height of this is the same as the height of this. And this height is 1, 2 boxes. Give it your best shot today, and I'll check out your work and I'll see how well you were able to do. Once again, you need a front view, top view, and side view. Every one of these triangle sides is 1 box.